Hello my beautiful friends, welcome. My name is Christina Marie. I do beauty reviews, tutorials, unboxings, lots of unboxings and lots of giveaways. One of the giveaways I have going on right now is every month I do an eyeshadow palette giveaway for the month of October. It is In the Palm of Your Hands, Greatest Hits Volume 2. I will put a link in the description box down below. It'll take you to the video. It talks about how to enter this one as well as all of my other giveaways. My #1 rule is that you must be a subscriber to my channel. So Birchbox. I've kind of gone like this with Birchbox. It was $10 a month and now they kind of upped it to about $12. There's mainly sample sizes. Now they're kind of trying to do some more customization. I'm really on the fence. I'm cutting a series slash to a bunch of the boxes that I have coming on in the new year. And so I'm debating on whether or not this one's gonna make the cut or not. Watch it to the end and then let me know your thoughts. So it is kind of a cute little Halloween box. Trick or treat, the treatment step is the most personal part of your skincare routine because there are endless combinations to target your skin's need. It's like creating your own personal magic potion. This chart breaks down the different formulas, how to layer them, and when to choose. Basically, you know, you layer your lightest to your heaviest, starting with mist, toner, essence, elixir, then serum. This is kind of a cool chart because it talks about like what each of them are. Like an elixir is a blend of different oils and extracts, and it says why to use each of the items, so it's kind of pretty cool. The other side says we're gearing up for the holidays. Halloween may be coming up this month, but the winter holidays have a way of sneaking up on us. Boo. Never fear, we'll add exclusive new sets, limited edition boxes, and products in our shop every week to help you cover everyone on your list. There is a card in here that says just for subscribers, get a free extra box for you when you gift a Birchbox. So I do like there are 2 sets of the SCHUMANN Skincare Hydrating Collagen Eye Pads, full size, retails for $18. Our on-the-go routine for these babies: stick them in the fridge for 10 minutes, apply one beneath each eye, and relax for 20 minutes. Hydrate and depuff under eyes. The one item that I was able to pick out of this one was I picked the Sunday Riley Good Genes Lactic Acid Treatment. Retails anywhere from $105 to $158 depending on the size. It's a best-selling potent serum, exfoliates away dead skin cells, plump fine lines, even out hyperpigmentation, and boost your glow. Apply a thin layer over clean skin and follow with a moisturizer and SPF to start your day with twice a week and work up to daily. I've heard really good things about this, so I'm excited to try this. This I'm not quite so sure about. This is the Hum Daily Cleanse. Help clear your skin and body from toxins. It's basically a supplement, and it's 100% natural supplement, detoxifies and cleanses your liver, bowel, kidneys, lungs, and skin with ingredients like chlorella algae, beetroot, and milk thistle, to name a few. Take 2 capsules daily for best results. Consume them in between meals. Retails for full size $25. And it's so hard to tell on something like this where it's only, you know, a 3-day supply. And it's kind of like this with all this skincare. It's hard to tell if it's doing any good or not. This product I have used before, and it is This Works Deep Sleep Pillow Spray. Clinically proven to aid a good night's rest. The calming infusion of lavender chamomile helps you fall asleep faster. Just spray on the pillow right before bed. So I can only do this every couple days. I can't do it every night. It's too powerful for me. The sensories are too much, and it even makes my eyes water. So I'll do this, put it on spritz every couple days. And it does work, and it does help me fall asleep pretty quickly. By Dr. LIPP is the original nipple balm for lips. Full size retails for $14.50. The multi-purpose natural formula works to rehydrate skin and lips, soothe sunburns, tame unruly brows, and nourish thirsty cuticles. Love this. The problem with this one is, and I've noticed this in the past, you have to really, really squeeze this to get anything out of it. And so there's hardly any, and this is dinky as is, and there's even less product than that in there. From JUARA is the Coconut Lippy Hand and Nail Balm, retails for $20. It's a fast absorbing moisturizing balm, hydrates, firms, and plumps hands, and treats nails and cuticles. Retails, full size retails for $20. So it was an okay box. It's hard to tell skincare whether it's gonna work or not. The nutrition stuff, you're not gonna be able to tell after 3 days. So it introduces you to some brands, but is it worth it? Is it gonna make my cut? Let me know in the comments down below what you guys think. If you like this video, hit that like button. If you haven't subscribed yet, do. It does really mean a lot to me when you like, subscribe, hit that notification bell so you know when our next video will be posted. As always, you guys have a beautiful day, and I will see you soon. Bye.